Are you looking for the best hoverboards for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best hoverboards for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Hoverboards 2.0. Best hoverboard for kids. If your kids are fond of keeping a luxury style hoverboard, then this hoverboard from the banner of Hoverboards can quench their thirst. Let me tell you, the Hoverboards 6.5-inch chrome hoverboard is one of the most rated and most demanding hoverboards on Amazon. It's one of the top-selling hoverboards of Amazon. That's the reason Hoverboards 6.5-inch hoverboard is amongst Amazon's choices. Hoverboards is a reliable name in the manufacturing of self-balancing scooters. They always aim to manufacture something different than others. That's why they have launched a luxury-style hoverboard that is suitable for kids. Trust me, it's a dream gift for any kid. While testing, we enjoyed music with its powerful Bluetooth speakers that amaze us. Besides this, it is compatible with its official smartphone application. You can control your entire hoverboard with your smartphone. Either you want to change the soundtrack or the riding modes, just use your smartphone to do so. This is not the end. There are still so many things left to tell you about the Hoverboards Chrome 2.0 hoverboard. Chrome 2.0 is equipped with powerful dual hub motors of 150 watts each that give a total output of 300 watts. With this much power, its 6.5-inch wheels can reach the top speed of 7 miles per hour, which is super amazing. Not only speed, but it also has an amazing riding range. You can ride as long as 6 miles on a single full charge. Number 2. Sisigad. Safest hoverboard for kid. Who doesn't like colorful and funky stuff? I am sure kids do like colorful stuff. And if they know that they can get funky and colorful hoverboards, then how happy they would be. So surprise your kids with Sisigad colorful and funky hoverboard, but hold on for a while because read the Sisigad hoverboard review first. Sisigad hoverboard is available in numerous color patterns that look amazing, and the cherry on the top is its bright and colorful flashing lights that makes this hoverboard stand apart among thousands of board. So Sisigad hoverboard is equipped with a 300-watt dual hub motor that requires 36V lithium-ion batteries to propel. Its 6.5-inch high-quality rubber tires can take you as long as 9 miles in just a single charge. So within one single charge of 3 to 5 hours, you can have unlimited time to enjoy and have fun. You know what? You can travel at the speed of 9 miles per hour with a Sisigad hoverboard. This makes it a perfect hoverboard for kids since it is not too speedy. This hoverboard is equipped with self-balancing technology that makes it easier for beginners to get command over it. It's so easy to learn. Besides this, it is made up of high-quality fire-resistant material that does not let it catch wildfire. You can say that safety is doubled up with this feature, as it is already UL 2272 certified hoverboard. Apart from this, it has non-slip and shock-absorbing pedals that give a strong grip to the rider and helps him in maintaining balance. Number 3. Tomoloo. Best hoverboard for girls. Tomoloo hoverboards are one that you can buy blindly. They are the most trustworthy hoverboard manufacturer that keeps in mind customer safety and satisfaction while manufacturing hoverboards. Let me tell you, their hoverboards are not only UL 2272 certified but are also CE, FCC, RHS, RNTTE, UN 38.3, and MSDS certified. Therefore their products are of immense quality and trusted worldwide. Talking about the hoverboard that I'm going to review. It's Q2X. Q2X is one of the off-road hoverboards for girls, and the amazing part is, it doesn't have heavyweight and bulky wheels. Tomoloo has innovatively designed its 6.5-inch wheels into all-terrain wheels. So those kids who want to hover on gravel and muddy path, Tomoloo Q2X is the best choice for them. As it has 6.5 non-pneumatic solid tires, it is not too heavy and has low ground clearance. It weighs only 9 kilograms and can accommodate the weight of the rider up to 100 kilograms. Kids can easily carry this hoverboard, making it one of the portable and easy-to-carry hoverboards. Equipped with the power of a 300-watt dual motor, this hoverboard is one of the fastest off-road hoverboards with kids. While testing speed it reaches 7.45 miles per hour within no time. With this speed, you can travel as long as 10 miles, which is its maximum range. Its lithium-ion batteries are UL 2271 certified and require only 2 to 3 hours to juice up fully. Q2X is made up of flame-resistant and fire-resistant material, so it means it will never gonna catch wildfire. Talking about some additional features that Q2X has, it has 4.2V Bluetooth speakers which are of stereo surround quality. You can connect these speakers with your smartphone via its official app. Number 4. Gyroor T581. Best hoverboard for boys. Gyroor T581 is one of the highly rated children's hoverboards. This hoverboard has been rated as 4.9 out of 5 on Amazon. This means it has more than 95% of positive feedbacks. Gyroor is one of the popular names in the field of hoverboards. Its mission is to focus on manufacturing quality product that is totally flawless. It has off-road wheels that are 6.5 inches which can give you a smooth and buttery riding experience on all kinds of pavements. Talking about its performance, it's superb. This beast is packed with a 600-watt powerful motor that gives so much power to its all-terrain wheels that you can easily hit the maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. According to customer feedback, riding on a Gyroor hoverboard is an amazing experience. They have built in such a way that seems as if someone is floating on air only. Supported with the latest and safest self-balancing technology, it is easier for anyone to ride on it and get complete command on riding the hoverboard. T581 is packed with 36V lithium-ion batteries that are of course meant to support its 300-watt dual-hub motors. These batteries require 1.5 to 3 hours to charge completely. But when they are fully charging T581, you are free to do non-stop fun till 7.5 miles. With Gyroor, fun is unlimited. Talking about some extra features that it has. Like other hoverboards, it also has built-in Bluetooth speakers that are powerful enough to shake the whole town with your favorite music tunes. And the most amazing part, it has compatibility with its official Gyroor app. Yes, you will get a free Gyroor app which you can install from the App Store or Play Store and can control your entire phone with it. Number 5. Veveline. Veveline, best hoverboards for kids. Veveline hoverboard is one of the most affordable hoverboards that claim to offer the best value for money. It is the combination of creative and unique design coupled with the highest quality of the material. This hoverboard is available in lots of attractive eye-catching colors. Veveline hoverboard has a small wheel size that is 6.5 vacuum tires that give you jerk-free riding on semi-smooth surfaces. These tires are 100% explosion-free. Talking about its performance, it has 300 watts dual motor under the hood that is responsible for its powerful performance.